In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to create Indrive account. So using the app, do you want to get notified? So I literally don't want to get notified, or maybe I can do that later. So I'm going to click on later. So right here, it's gonna ask me for my phone number or my email. It will text a code to verify phone, or you can log in through your email, either of the two. So I'm gonna continue with my Gmail account. Alright, so I just click on my Gmail and it's signing me in. So this is my picture, my email. So basically it's asks for my phone number, so I'm gonna provide that. Alright, so I just input my phone number there, and auto, not now. I think they send the message to me on my WhatsApp. So there's the code. So done already. So it asked me to allow Indrive to access this device location. So you have to allow while using the app. Then you can also skip if you don't want it to access your location. So depend. So choose another city. So there are different city in the app. So let's say you're in Lagos, so just search for Lagos, for example. So Lagos, Nigeria. Yes, if you are in that location, just click yes, I am here, and if not, just click on no. So then it's gonna allow you to suggest or type in another place. All right, so I just click on that. Let's see, are you a passenger or a driver? So you can actually change your mode. So if you're a passenger, if you're a driver, you can select one of the two, and then your account will be created on Indrive platform. So I'm going to click on passenger, for example, and if you're a driver, you have to follow some certain things, which of course you need to register, and some other stuff. So I just click on passenger, then it should take me to the inside of the app. Right here you can see this is the inside of the app, and then it's gonna suggest different location within you from where you are currently in. So that is it for how to create Indrive account.